What are you doing?
Is your food bowl empty?
Henry. Ow! You're being mean.
You can't do this anywhere else? Max.
And I'm gonna go lay back down. Do not attack me. Sonny, please.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
I'm so hungry I could eat a cat. An orange cat.
Stop hunting me. Why are you hunting me?
I had a couple Red Bulls. You ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull.
Dude.